but the person you sponsor is now indirectly your competitor. Whereas here, it's not the case because it's a leveraged model, just like the six-figure blueprint, the marketing system that I use for this. When you sponsor somebody, when they make a sale, you get a nice chunk of change. So it's when I make a sale, my sponsor gets a nice chunk of change. I get a nice chunk of change. My sponsor gets a matching nice chunk of change. And the same way down the line. So there's incentive to help your people. So it's not just, hey, I joined you in this program. Now me and you got to buy traffic or do videos talking about the same exact program, and we're in direct competition. Whereas here, we're not. We're actually working together, because if I make a sale, you make a sale. If you make a sale, if I make a sale, my sponsor makes a sale. If you make a sale, I make a sale. So, things like the traffic rotators and things like that actually will benefit the people running them, right? Because I used to do traffic rotators, but it's when other people get a sale, it doesn't help me, and I'm the one spending money on traffic and the other folks aren't. Whereas this, you don't have that problem.